So your thumbnail is a visual presentation of your video and it has to be perfect. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me and watching my videos. So today's video is going to be quite different. Just mention a few things I wish I knew before I joined YouTube, and I just hope you guys are going to love this video. And without no further ado, let's get to the video. So guys, on this video I'm going to be talking about the things I wish I knew before I joined YouTube. And let me tell you one thing, if there's someone who was unprepared and not educated about YouTube while joining YouTube, it was me. I just joined YouTube, I think, was it 3 years ago, and I used to post a lot of not really hair tutorials, but I used to post pictures on how I do my hairstyles, how I do my hair, and a lot of people were like, oh, you know, you can do well on YouTube, try and open a YouTube channel so that you can show us how you do your hairstyles, or how you do whatever tutorials you post. So yeah, I was really encouraged by my followers on IG. Like I say, Instagram has been really a good place for me because it has really helped me grow business wise and here on YouTube. So a lot of people asked me to join YouTube, and you guys, and I didn't know anything. Yes, so as I was joining YouTube, I was joining YouTube with the notion of I just want to teach people what I'm doing. I just want to show people what I'm doing. Maybe someone can learn something from me. So yeah, that was just basically it. So I didn't join YouTube because of being paid and all that, because I really didn't know, like, I knew people are getting paid on YouTube, but I didn't think I would get to that level. I was going to get paid. So I just joined YouTube to like share my talent and my ideas on my hair tutorials mostly. One thing I regret, or one thing I feel like I should have known before, was consistency and having a plan for my channel, because you definitely have to have a plan for everything that you do. So I just used to post anytime I used to feel like I need to do a video, just do a video and post. I really didn't have a plan on what I wanted to post or anything, so I just sit and feel like I need to post, then I just do a video and post. You definitely have to write down your ideas and plans and how you want to be posting. So consistency is really everything. If you want to grow, don't be posting once in a while. Just be consistent, at least one video a week if you're really busy. But the more consistent you are, the more benefits you're going to get from YouTube. Okay, another thing I wish I knew before I joined YouTube was monetization and copyright. Oh my god. If there's anyone who has suffered when it comes to monetization, it is me. One thing is, you need to apply for you to get monetized. That I knew. I had already applied everything, so I was just waiting for me to get monetized. So back then, 3 years ago, they had different rules for getting monetized, because right now you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch views. I was not even close to that, so that meant that I was supposed to work even hard. So yeah, I went missing for some time. I got a ring light, I got a new phone, so you really don't have to have a DSLR camera for you to do videos or to have a YouTube channel. So I am using my camera to do my videos. So far so good. My videos are clear and cute and nice. I'm using my Android phone, my Huawei Y9 Prime, to record my videos and also take my pictures. I wish I knew more about monetization, because I applied for it. It came a time that I got the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch views, which was at around 2019. I didn't know someone was supposed to verify their AdSense account with a PIN address, and that is what took me ages. And I got discouraged and went in my ear again. But I couldn't verify my my AdSense account with a PIN sent through the mail address, so I had to have it done manually by them. And for that, you have to have the documents ready, because it's like they're going to do a document verification. You have to like confirm that account is your account, or the information on the account is the same as your personal information. So I just sent my documents, and they manually approved my pin, then they blocked the pin which was coming in via the mail. And also, when it comes to copyright, make sure you use music that you own. YouTube has music that you can use on your videos that is non-copyright. I was starting my channel, I got a few strikes on my channel because of copyright. And yeah, it feels, you just feel weird, because you feel like you really worked hard and you're getting copyright strikes and your channel can be put down. So just type non-copyright music for YouTube videos and they'll just give you a list and you can just download. What I do these days is, after I edit my video and upload it on YouTube, I put it on private. Then I just wait and see if I'm going to get an email telling me that I've used copyrighted music, or you will see the monetization icon being black. If it's black, that means you're not going to earn any money from that video because you've used someone else's music on that video. So if it's green, it means you're safe. It's green, it means you're safe. There's another thing that I wish I knew before I joined YouTube, was the thumbnails speak volumes on YouTube. You really have to have quality thumbnails that have quality and all that. Like, your thumbnail tells it all, because normally when you see videos on YouTube, when you get onto YouTube, then you see videos, the first thing you see is the thumbnail before you click in onto the video. So you need to have a clean thumbnail, a thumbnail that doesn't have too much going on the screen. It just has to be clean and have good quality, because yeah, first impression matters. Also, I came to notice that while you post your video on YouTube, you first list it as a private video, because YouTube takes time sometimes before verifying your video for monetizations. There are certain videos you cannot get monetized for because of certain tags or certain words you've used on your description. So you need to be really careful with the description and the tags you use. So make sure you put your videos on private so that you can check all these things, because they're really important. Because sometimes your video could be pending for even days or a week because of something you did or wrote on your video. So be really careful with that. And also, another thing I wish I knew before I started YouTube was your tags are really important, because this, especially your tags, the tags really increase the SEO on YouTube. For example, I'm doing a crochet braid tutorial and my tags need to be crochet hair, crochet braid, protective hairstyles and all that. Anytime anyone is going to YouTube and they're searching for anything to do with crochet braids or protective hairstyles, each channel is going to pop up on top because you have used the correct tag. So let me just answer a few questions quickly. I'm going to be really quick with this, because these are things people are asking on IG. Filming equipment, what did you start with, and gaining confidence. At first I started with what I had, then I improved as time went on. So the thing I can tell you is just get a good phone with a good camera. You don't have to get a professional camera for you to do your videos. Just start with what you have. So if you have a nice phone with a nice camera, then that can work for you. Don't stress over that. And with time, you just gain confidence. Just learn how to talk to yourself or by yourself. Then you'll just be okay. What content did you know you'd be consistent with? First of all, just know your niche before you start your YouTube channel. Then you can just add other things as you go on. Love what you do before you start your YouTube channel, because it's going to be easier for you if you do something you love instead of just doing it for the sake of doing it. How did you think you are going to grow? You just don't know how you're going to grow, but you just hope for the best as time goes by, but also do your best as time goes by. That is the best thing I can tell you. But just don't give up, be consistent. Yes. So what does it take? Passion or equipment? I think passion has to be the first thing before you start your YouTube channel. You just don't start something without passion. Equipment come in handy, so you can start small as you go by, but first get a good camera if you can, or if you can't afford a good camera, just get a phone which has a good camera and you're good to go. So don't stress over expensive equipment, because the little you have will work for you. Best editing apps, I used Viva Video and InShot because I edit on my phone. The laptop I was using got spoiled, so yeah, now I'm stuck with my phone. So before I get a new laptop, yeah, I'm stuck with my phone. I edit everything on my phone. Yes guys, believe it. So I use InShot and Viva Video, but these days I just love InShot. You really don't need a professional camera to do your videos, guys. I'm going to stress on this. Just start with what you have. If you have a nice phone which has a nice camera, just start with that. And good lighting, guys. Lighting is life, lighting is everything. Guys, this is the end of this video. I really didn't want this video to be very long, but give me a thumbs up. You can also comment down below. Let's make it a talk on the comment section. And yeah guys, thank you so much for always supporting me. I just love the support you guys are giving me, and I'm so thankful. Thank you so much. Until our next video, bye.